Welcome to the Rombout Middle School Virtual Honor Roll Assembly. We are excited to celebrate the students who made Honor Roll, High Honor Roll, and Principal's Honor Roll for the first quarter.
Hello, parents, guardians, and RMS students. Welcome to our first quarter Honor Roll Assembly. We're not in the cafeteria like normal. We're in Mrs. Biordi's office making our video because we still want to celebrate this achievement for our students. So our honor roll status is as follows. Students for Principal's Honor Roll are students with an average of 95 or higher. Our high honor roll is 90 to 94, and our regular honor roll is 85 to 89. This year, we are not counting our electives into our GPA this time due to the fact that our remote learning electives and our in-person electives are slightly different. So a student's GPA is being calculated based on their core classes only, including foreign language if they are taking Spanish. What we're going to do this year while we're virtual is we're still going to print certificates for our students, and the PTO is still awarding them with a token of their gratitude for the student's achievement. So we'll be handing those out to the students in person and also figuring out ways they can be picked up and delivered for any of our remote students. So Mrs. Biordi is helping put this together so that we can honor our students. So please enjoy our virtual quarter one honor roll ceremony. Thank you. Keep up the good work.
We will now read the names for students who made the honor roll in grades 6, 7, and 8.
Savannah Acuti, Caroline Bell, Emma Bellis, Michael Cahill, Naomi Conklin, Kadira Elliott, Corday Facey, Vidal Feliz Morris, William Flynn, Kayla Gerardis, Aham Gazawi, Julian Hanna, Ryan Hun, Syra Kozlik, Yayanis Mail, Isaac McKibble, Gianna Mercer, Chloe Paulus, Noah Sanderson, Catherine Sendelbach, Stella Sheehy, Tabitha Smith-White, Hanwario Stageman, Adriana Sweat, Kiara Tice, Brevin Tim, Gavin Troiano, Carter Way, Slater Way, Isabella Zapala, Vincent Bergerson, Grace Beston, Logan Blum, Serenity Bunn, Jaden Crawford, Diego Dickinson Case-Leal, Isabella Galbo, Kylie Graff, Milo Isabel, Vincent Joa, Jaden Jones, Cameron Just, Taylor Kelleher, Griffin Kitzrow, Kieran Kumar, Ryan Landisi, Tanaya Lindsay, Lauren Maggio, Julia McGuire Solner, Josiah Manel, Selena Negron, Adrian Okoye, Yosef Sanchez Redondo, Katrina Skorowitz, Keon Spirig, Matthew Tumadai, and Alexander Young. Matthew Apostolou, Kikoa Baisa, Avery Davis, Sophia Diaz, Taylor Finley, Luca Foray, Cheyenne Gant, Hunter Humiston, Caden Irizarry, Angel Gerardo, Vincent Comer, Lonnie Lopez, Ella Lyons, Juliana Montero, Rory Moen, Soraya Paulin, Shiloh Reynolds, Santiago Romero, Gabriel Salcedo, Sabina Shafi, Kaylee Shand, Chloe Sheffield, Emma Soltish, and Michael Van Buren.
We will now read the names of the students who made High Honor Roll in grades 6, 7, and 8.
Michaela Acevedo, Jay Adams, Lily Amundson, Molly Rose Archer, Savannah Brace, Juniper Bro, Danica Brennan, Emily Coldrick, Haziel Decina Moran, Elijah Epps, Tyler Evans, Haley Fish, Chloe Franklin, Brandon Freemer, Abigail Getter, Haley Jennings, Tiana Jennings, Richard Johnson, Caitlin Kong, Jaden Lassiter, Ryan Moen, Lyris Pennock, Nicholas Perry, Sarah Ramkalawan, Lillian Ray, Samuel Rickelmay, Jazir Smith, Melia Smith, Savannah Steinman, Harper Strang, Josiah Swanigan, Vincent Tanyas, Farah Van Cott, Jesse Vermeulen, Fabiola Vagrincic, Aslyn Way, Andrew Whittemore, and Nikki Zhang. Owen Bergen, Ella Brill, Piper Bruno, Parker Capuana, Mariangelis Chavez, Lola Saccone, Erin Cleary, Alistair Cunningham, Teo Fairbanks, Gabriel Godby, Kayla Hammond, Natalie Hayden, Christina Hernandez, Daisy Herrera, Grace Hockler, Tyler Horton, Essence Eiffel, Aidan Kinsley, Maceo Corner, Anthony Lopez, Sharonay Lewis, Braden Manning, Clyde Marshall, Alma Mart, Mira Miller, Amira Muhammad, Annabelle Noter Thomas, Richie O'Meara, Michael Ramos, Victoria Reyes Mealy, Jonathan Richards, Zachary Shetter, Noah Spiak. Riley Adnams, Isabella Bafuto, Taryn Beardsley, Amaria Bunn, Shyla Camacho, Elizabeth Carbone, Amir Figueroa, Tori Foster, Willa Friedman, Messiah Gardner, Justin Gerardis, Janae Jefrancois, Avneet Kaur, Rory Ledoux, Riley Landisi, Paige Macredo, Ryan Meyer, Ronan Moran, Zoe Moreno, Lance Morgan, Josue Pintado, Albion Collage, Devea Rodriguez, Bethany Rudolph, Brianna Rudolph, Catherine Ruffy, Meher Sagri, Anastasia Santisi, Kaylee Sheehan, Jacob Signorelli, Kyla Smith, Serenity Smith, Noah Spodek, Natalia Salsona, Amaya Thompson, Sorsha Tripaldi, Savannah West, Holly Whittemore, and Charles Zellinger.
And now we will read the names for the students who made Principal's Honor Roll in grades 6, 7, and 8.
Cecilia Ali, Mayan Alan, Jerry Chen, Terry Chen, Theodore Concepcion, Mateo Cruz, Travis Dixton, Fion Fahili, Emilio Guerra, Elma Teheran Hassan, Abigail Haight, Madeline Hayes, Rainabel Jaffer, Sean Jabbar, Ruby King, Wanang Kabarsi, Ishmael Lunsford, Lily Mack, Yadriana Manzano Cabello, Asha Marcus, Victoria McKay, Cheyenne McNair, Lily Murr, Sabine Perez, Devin Pipkin, Stella Ranke, John Rose, Charlotte Rossi, Livia Simons, Elliot Thorne, Isaac Chang, Rudolph Virgolina, Lila Welsh, Parker White, and Julie Whittemore. Nadine Ahmed, Aliana Aliai, Farhana Antora, Patrick Apman, Mira Bakhrianik, James Bouchard, Alexander Browning, Henry Clare, Christian Clay, Peter Cohen, Ty Elias, Marissa George, Xenia Harris, Dylan Hetrick, Ruby Hotchkiss, Everly Jordan, Alina Joseph, Gabrielle Khalil, Savannah Cush, Carlos Lampon, Aaron Lee, Frankie Lynn, Anselm McKee, Oscar McKibble, Eli Netboy, Aidan Nieves, Nolan O'Malley, Alexander Pascal, Liliana Ryback, Michaela Sanchez, Aidan Speaker, Jonathan Trentacosta, Juan Tutasi, George Walker, and Mandy Zhang. Beckett Anderson, Annabelle Arginsky, Daniel Bridges, Isabel Bunker, Lila Burke, Christine Chen, Evelina Deibel, Amadea Ferris, Ava Maria Gianna, Mackenzie Harmon, Sarah Jaffer, Charlie Klein, Josephine Mallon, Alan McKay, Jada Medley, Emma Marola, Addison Miller, Serena Stampleman, Mika Giselle Tates, Sophia Tanyas, and Francis Zaitza.
And congratulations to our students of the month who are nominated based on the merits of their character. Our students of the month for October: Michael Van Buren, Lola Saccone, Mateo Cruz, Kyla Smith, Josiah Monell, and not pictured is Kadira Elliott. Our students of the month for November: Katie Sendelbach, Frankie Montero, Crystal Dembo. Not pictured: Serenity Smith, Chloe Franklin, and George Walker. Thank you for watching our virtual honor roll assembly. Congrats to all the students named to those, the honor roll, the high honor roll, and the principal's honor roll, and for our students of the month. Keep up the hard work.